So if you want to take a backup any data, you should go for volumes. If you want to preserve any data and lock on the cluster or external storage, you should go with volumes. So here, what are the types of Kubernetes volume means? Here, empty directory and host path and PVC storage classes. These all are Kubernetes volumes. So pin to pin, we'll discuss. Here facing some issue. So plugin ecosystem. FluentD has a rich plugin ecosystem that allows it into integrated with wide range of data resources. So means external data resources is a ELK stack, means Elastic OpenSearch and Kibana and Logstash. So these external cloud providers maintaining these data sources and output destination. These are that is the output destinations. So processing and functions. Plugins are available for input source files, TCP and UDP protocols, HTTP protocol, the databases. So output destinations means Elastic OpenSearch, Kafka, and Amazon S3. And data processing examples, filtering, parsing, and buffering. So remember these key points: output destinations and data sources and data processing. Unified logging. FluentD promotes a unified logging approach where log data from different sources is collected and normalized and structured into common format before being forwarded to downstream systems. This unified format simplifies log data management and analysis, enables easier to troubleshooting and monitoring, alerting. So these are the major benefits. See here, troubleshooting, you can easily troubleshoot and monitoring the application and alerting. Means anything happen, you need to immediately send the alerts to the specific member, team members. So here buffer and reliability. FluentD provides buffering mechanism to ensure reliability and fault tolerance in log data transition. Buffer data can be stored in memory or persisted in disk, provided resilience against network failures and system crashes. So if anything pod crashes, it will get some error logs sent. So why that pod is crashing? So you can easily troubleshoot. And this can help to improve performance as well. And scalability. FluentD can be deployed in a distributed manner to scale horizontally across multiple nodes, allows it to handle large volumes of log data efficiently. It supports Clustering and load balancing for high availability and performance. See here, already I told you. Fluentd integrates seamlessly with various data processing and virtualization tools such as Elastic OpenSearch, Kibana, Grafana, Prometheus. So when I explain these kind of volumes, remember this point also. And support clustering and load balancing, high availability performance. And here input data sources and output destinations and processing. So these points are enough. Integrating with ecosystems, Fluentd integrate seamlessly. We already discussed. See, common community support. Fluentd benefit from active community for developers and users, contributing to this ongoing development and improvement and support. Means Kibana will give you support. That is a community, that is a paid tool. They are immediately connecting and they're resolving issues and all. So this is about empty directory. Use next work on practically. Go to cluster. So two nodes are ready. See here today volumes, topics, empty directory and host path. See here understand config map already we discussed. This is the config map name and that this is the data section. This entire file bit, it is a, see here file bit is a module and this is the path for module section. There is a YML files and reload enabled true. And module is a Nginx. Currently we are using Nginx deployment. See here, it will capture the logs from access logs and error logs. So, and after after picking these logs, should do Elasticsearch. This is the Elasticsearch host name and this is the port number. So once you created when you create a Elasticsearch, then these logs will push to this Elasticsearch. This is the path. This is the deployment for Nginx. See here, this is one container. This is the container section. This is the Nginx container. and this is the file bit sidecar container. So this file bit main responsibility capture the logs and push it to Elasticsearch. That is the main responsibility. Nginx responsibility is the accessing HTTP requests. Remember these points. So when you are using sidecar containers, can you explain what is the sidecar container? So interview definitely ask this kind of questions. So this is the best example for explaining multiple containers inside the pod and, and real-time use case. See, this is a volume mounting. Empty directory is a temporary volume. Means when pod as long as running means pod ఎంత టైం అయితే రన్ అవుతుందో అంత టైం వరకే మనకి ఈ ఎంటీ డైరెక్టరీ వాల్యూమ్ అనేది మెయింటైన్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో ఆ పాడ్ క్రాష్ అయిందంటే ఆ డేటా అంతా సో బిఫోర్ క్రాష్ మనకి ఆ పాడ్ ఎంత టైం రన్ అవుతుందో ఆ డేటా అంతా మీకు ఎలాస్టిక్ సర్చ్లో స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. మీకు పాడ్ క్రాష్ అయిపోయింది అనుకోండి ఇంకా డేటా ఎంటీ డైరెక్టరీ నుంచి మనకి ఉండదన్నమాట ఇంకా. సో అది మెయిన్. అందుకని ఇక్కడ ఎంటీ డైరెక్టరీ మెయిన్ ఇక్కడే ఈ పర్పస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓన్లీ మనకి కంటైనర్స్ ఎంత ఎంత టైం రన్ అయితే అది యాక్సెస్ లాగ్స్ ఎర్రర్ లాగ్స్ ఇవన్నీ క్యాప్చర్ చేసి మనం ఎంటీ డైరెక్టరీలో ఆ పాడ్ రన్ అయినంతసేపు స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది. అంటే టెంపరీ ఎఫ్ఎంఆర్ అనమాట ఇది. సో ఈ పాయింట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాన్ఫిగ్ మ్యాప్ రెఫరెన్స్. Config map name and items key value, and you can use like config map ref also. File bit path. This is the file bit. I'm giving this path, this file name as a path. Deploy kubectl, apply -f. So successfully created. Now check. This is the pod. This pod have multiple containers. kubectl uxec -it pod name defaulted container in Nginx. So out of Nginx or file bit sidecar. So it is saying cd slash check here. See here where log Nginx error logs and access logs. These all are error logs. And check access logs. So currently there is no access log because traffic will not getting here. So when HTTP request and response getting, those logs is saved in these access logs. These logs is pushed to Elastic OpenSearch means go to browser. So this is the Elastic OpenSearch. So this is the paid. So that's why start free trial. It will they will provide 15 days of free trial. So you need to provide the details, and after creating this path, you have to provide in the path section file bit. Elastic OpenSearch colon 9200. This log, so container logs processing, and here storage. This is about empty directory about Kubernetes volume. So you have any doubts, ask.
టాపిక్ కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంది పరిశ్రమ నాకైతే అర్థం కావట్లేదు అనిపిస్తుంది.
ఇక్కడ master IP. We are not defining any service. So that's why we're, we cannot able to access this Nginx. This is only part of cluster IP only. So if you want to access outside the world, so you need to define the service section, node port or load balancer. So next topic is a host path. See here, don't get confused. This is the file bit. So this is also data collector and various resources and log files and forwarding to different destinations like elastic logs dash same. So this is also different component, means different tool. File bit currently we have used in the empty directory in the file bit, and host path going to is fluentd. Both are data collectors only. So I will share this text document and read properly.
Okay.
So this is the daemon set. So daemon set means in the cluster we have 10 nodes. Each and every node one pod it is created. If you define 20 pods means each and every node two pods running. So that is the daemon set goal. It is maintaining each and every node has to maintain equal pods. That is the responsibility for daemon set. So here fluentd is fluentd for data collector. This is the image. This is the deployment. It's a namespace using kube system means host and each and every host machine logs capturing. It is going to capture system logs also. Means each and every node. Host path means in the cluster we have 10 nodes. Means each and every node logs it is capturing. Remember this point. So daemon set capturing the server logs and system logs. You can say anything. So this is the official image for fluentd. You can take from the Docker Hub. So memory, I'm using, I'm controlling the limit using request and limits. So limit section memory 200. So each and every pod maintaining 200 memory of store RAM. CPU 100 millicore. One core means 1000 millicore. So each and every pod taking asking 100 millicore only. So memory storage 200 millicore, 200 MB. So volume mounting var log, This is the path for fluentd. After creating container, go and check the container. Then this is the path. So we'll get the each and every system logs, not container logs. So clear the resources plus. Indentation means alignment. So you have to provide a cube system. So it will capture all system logs.
పరశురామ్ గారు, ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ స్పేస్ క్యూబ్ సిస్టమ్ ఇస్తారు కదా, అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటండి? ఎవరికి పర్మిషన్స్ ఉంటాయి?
AWS node and these are cluster of maintaining default namespace. Specific names, if you want to, when you creating cluster, see background lot of things will creating, right? So kube proxy and etcd lot of components, right? So all part of kube system namespace.
Okay.
That is a specific namespace for Kubernetes resources, backend resources, predefined. So when you create cluster, automatically this namespace will created. So this namespace created. So inside the namespace, these are the components. So here we have created fluentd, these two pods. One by one is running. Check now.